Good morning, folks. Ever grown something that your cousin dreams of feasting upon? Let me speak about spinach today, a veggie that my cousin dreams of eating as palak paneer. Spinach is a leafy green plant best known for its use in cooking. It is considered to be great for use in salads, pasta, soups, etc. It is an annual plant and is very simple to grow as well. In colder climates, spinach can be grown throughout the year, whereas in other regions it is best to grow it in winters or under nets in summers. It is a hardy crop. We scatter the seeds before winter and sometimes towards the end of it to harvest throughout. If they are being grown in autumn or winter, plant the spinach plants in an area where they will receive a lot of sun, whereas in spring, plant them in partially shaded areas. Make sure that the soil is never dry, but don't overwater them either. Fertilize it when required. One row of spinach can be harvested 3 times before it bolts into flowers and have to be rid of. Did you know that in many varieties raw spinach is 91% water? It is extremely rich in vitamin K and iron. In medieval times, the green pigment of spinach was sometimes extracted to be used as ink. Unlike most veggies, cooking spinach intensifies the health benefits. Half a cup of cooked spinach will grant you more nutrition than 1 cup of raw spinach. Spinach is full of antioxidants. However, remember not to eat too much of it, as large quantities can be harmful. Other health benefits include helping eye health, cancer prevention, reduced levels of blood pressure. Even though they are quite different, beetroots are actually related to spinach. Spinach has more potassium than a banana. Let me end this video by quoting, "He's strong to the finish, 'cause he eats his spinach. He's Popeye the Sailor Man." Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.